Okay, welcome to this video. And in a previous video we have studied sum and difference formula for sine and cosine. Okay, but in this video we're gonna study this for tangent. Okay, so let's derive the tangent and cotangent. Okay, we study this for this trigonometric ratio. So let's derive what tan of a plus b is first. Okay, so tan of a plus b, the same thing as sine of a plus b divided by cosine of a plus b. Now we can figure out what tan of a plus b is from this. So this will be sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b divided by cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b. Okay, so this will be this. Now this formula, it seems a little lengthy because it is indeed lengthy. So what are you going to do to shorten this? We're going to convert sines and cosines into tangent. Okay, so to convert this into tangent, what you have to do is you have to divide this thing by cosine a, and this thing should cancel out. So we have to divide this by cosine b, and so we're going to divide the numerator and denominator by cosine a cosine b. So this will be sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b, all divided by, okay, so the numerator divided by cosine a cosine b. Why we are dividing this by cosine a cosine b? Because this thing will be tangent a and this thing would cancel out, and if we divide this on this, for this, then this will be cosine a cosine cancels out and we're going to have tan b. Okay, and now the denominator, we have to divide the same thing that we divided on the numerator. Okay, so this will be sine a sine b, this all divided by cosine a cosine b. Okay, so solving this further, okay, we solve this ahead. What we get is sine divided by cosine a is tan a plus tan b. Okay, so this is what you get. This will be tan a, these things cancel out, cosine b, and this will be cosine a cosine b cancel out, and sine b cosine b will give you tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, so this is what this will be after division. Okay, because this thing divided by this will be 1, and sine a divided by cosine will give you this tangent, and sine b divided by this cosine b will give you again this tangent b. Which means now you have the formula for what tan of a plus b is. Okay, so you can pause the video and note this down if you want to note it down. Okay, but actually now I'm going to wrap this up. Okay, so we have the formula for tan a plus b, which is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, similarly, if we do the same procedure for tan a minus b, you'll have the formula for tan a minus b, and the procedure is the same. Okay, so if you do for tan a minus b, then the result, I'm just gonna write the result now because I know you can do it on your own. Okay, if you divide both things by cosine a cosine b, okay, the numerator and the denominator as well, then you'll get your result, get your answer. Okay, so tan a minus b will be tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, so this is what tan of a minus b will be. And now let's do it for cotangent. Okay, we're gonna now use the formula for cotangent a plus b. So cotangent a plus b will be cosine a plus b divided by sine a plus b. Okay, so from this you can guess that it is going to be reciprocal of tan a plus b. Okay, so you can proceed further from this step if you want to. Okay, you can proceed further from here. Okay, if you want to. So it means this will be 1 minus tan a tan b divided by tan A plus tan B. Why it will be this? Why is it going to be this thing? Because this is tan A plus B, and cotangent A plus B will be the reciprocal of this thing. That's why I did it upside down. Okay, found out the reciprocal. So in the form of tangent, it is going to be this. Okay, you can do it from scratch. Okay, from first principle by making cotangent A plus B equal to cosine A plus B divided by sine A plus B as well, and then expand it out. But I mean, this way is also useful. Okay, and now if you want to leave it in tangent form, you can leave it here, but we want to now convert this into cotangent form. So this will be 1 minus 1 over cotangent A times 1 over cotangent B. Okay, all divided by this tangent A will be 1 over cotangent A, because tangent is just the reciprocal of cotangent, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. Okay, so 1 over cotangent B. And now you can figure out what cotangent A plus B is. Okay, so we'll do it here now. This will be 1 minus 1 over cotangent A, cotangent B. Okay, so if you want to do it just in one line, or maybe use fewer lines, then you can do it as cotangent A, cotangent B minus 1. Okay, so I did it too much direct. Okay, if you don't understand, then what I did was multiply these two. It will be cotangent B, and then multiply this. So this will be cotangent A, cotangent B, and then add up whatever that is there. Okay, so this is minus 1. This thing divided by, now this will be cotangent A, cotangent B on the denominator. And what you're going to have here is cotangent A plus cotangent B. Cotangent A plus cotangent B. So this is what it will be. Okay? And now we have at the bottom cotangent A, cotangent B. So cotangent A, cotangent B, this and this will be cancelled out because we have the same thing on both sides, on the numerator and denominator. So we can multiply by cotangent A, cotangent B on the numerator and cotangent A, cotangent B on the denominator, and they will just vanish. So we're going to have now cotangent A, cotangent B minus 1 divided by cotangent A plus cotangent B. Okay, so this is what the result of cotangent A plus B will be. So if you want to leave cotangent A plus B in terms of tangent, then this is what this will be. Okay, it will be 1 minus tan A tan B divided by tan A plus tan B. But if you want to convert this in terms of cotangent, then this will be cotangent A, cotangent B minus 1 divided by cotangent A plus cotangent B. And how do I memorize this? What's the trick to memorize this? So the trick is that, suppose that this becomes cotangent, both of them becomes cotangent, and this goes ahead and the minus 1 comes. Okay, this becomes minus 1 and the signs get switched. Okay, you can think about it in that way as a trick, okay, to memorize this. So these two becomes cotangent, and this gets on that side and this one gets on that side, and the signs also flip. This becomes positive, this becomes negative, and then divide by cotangent A, cotangent B. So tangent becomes cotangent. Okay, so you can think of that in this way as well as a trick to memorize this. Okay, which means cotangent A plus cotangent B is what now? Is the video being recorded? Video recordation. Okay. So what cotangent A plus B will be? So this is going to be cotangent A, cotangent B. We derived it perfectly. Minus 1 divided by cotangent A plus cotangent B. And I leave cotangent A minus B for you to derive. Okay? And I leave cotangent A minus B for you to derive what this will be. Okay? You derive it. Okay. And this is the formula for cotangent A minus B. That is just the result. And I didn't prove it. I want you to prove this, okay, on your own. So see you in another video in which I'll do some problems based on this.